You probably know N8N, the automation tool developers use to connect apps like Notion, Slack, and Gmail. But most creators don't realize it can also run your entire YouTube Shorts pipeline. Imagine having a full-time video editor who takes your idea, finds the right moment, syncs your reaction, cuts the clip, formats it for Shorts, and delivers the final video automatically. That level of automation already exists, and it's redefining how fast creators can publish. Right now, your workflow is probably split across OBS, CapCut, DubDub, spreadsheets, uploads, and every step slows you down. This clipping automation unifies all of it. Instead of opening 6 tools, you run a single system that does the cutting, syncing, cropping, and exporting for you. The result is simple. A multi-hour edit becomes a zero-click task. You paste a link, walk away, and a finished short shows up. The sync is perfect, the framing is consistent, the audio levels are handled, your queue stays organized, and the whole thing scales effortlessly, even if you drop 50 clips in at once. This changes the economics of your channel. It lets you post daily, consistently, at high quality. Exactly what the algorithm rewards. So let's break down how to build it. Okay, so step 1 is all about getting the video from our Google Sheet. Think of this spreadsheet as your main content queue. Every row represents a new Roblox clip you want to turn into a short. It has all the important details: a link to the gameplay video, a link to the streamer's reaction, and a status column that marks each clip as either pending or completed. You can create multiple streamer reactions on Sora 2 for free, or use Fail AI to generate a high-quality reaction video without a watermark for just $1 to $2. For the prompt, I'm using this one, but you can fine-tune it to match your own style and choose the voiceover and reaction that will hook your audience. After that, just save the video to Google Drive and add the link back into the Google Sheet. When you run the Google Sheet node, the automation instantly connects to that Google Sheet and grabs the very first row that's still marked as pending. It's basically like an assembly line. Each row is a raw ingredient just waiting to be turned into a finished short. This keeps everything super organized and scalable. You could queue up 10, 50, or even 100 videos, and the workflow will just handle them one after another completely on its own. Alright, step 2, extract the video ID and the start time. Once we have that row, it runs a quick operation that automatically parses the YouTube URL. It uses a little bit of JavaScript to grab 2 key details: the video ID, which is the unique code for that clip, and the start time, which tells the AI exactly where to start trimming. So, for example, you need to copy the YouTube URL in your desired timestamp, like here with t equal to 454 seconds, it instantly knows to start cutting at the 454-second mark. This saves you an enormous amount of time. You never have to manually copy IDs or scrub through videos to find the right moment. It's like giving your workflow built-in vision. Moving on to step 3, download the video automatically. Now, the automation reaches out to the YouTube API. It sends over that video ID we just extracted, and it fetches metadata like the title, length, and view count. Most importantly, it gets the direct MP4 download link. Then, it automatically downloads the gameplay footage in the best available resolution, often 1080p, and stores it temporarily inside this workflow. From there, it instantly uploads that raw file to a folder in your Google Drive, let's call it video storage. This step makes sure all your assets are stored safely for reuse, collaboration, or later edits. You never need to open one of those YouTube downloader websites again. The workflow handles the entire transfer silently in the background. Now for step 4, this is the cool, cinematic part, merging the gameplay and the streamer clip using Creatomate. Here, the workflow calls the Creatomate API, sending it both the gameplay link from your drive and the streamer's reaction clip. Creatomate acts like a smart video editor that follows exact instructions. Before we call the API, we need to set up a very simple template. Log in to creatomate.com and create a template. Put 2 video assets, one at the top and one at the bottom, and rename it to top video and bottom video. Then, you are good to go. Click Use Template to get the template ID and paste it back into your node. It trims the gameplay down to a 12-second window, adjusts the start time based on what we extracted earlier, reduces the game's volume to 20%, and layers the streamer's face cam on top. All of this happens in the cloud. No timeline dragging, no export buttons. Within a minute, Creatomate generates a perfectly framed vertical video that looks like it was edited in Premiere Pro, but it was done entirely by an API. This step transforms your raw files into an engaging watch-ready short. A quick reminder, free plan and output 480p video. If you need a higher resolution, upgrade your account. Okay, step 5, wait for the render and fetch the result. Once Creatomate starts processing, this workflow automatically pauses for a short while using a wait node. This delay is usually under a minute, and it just makes sure the render is totally finished before we move on. After the wait, it checks in with Creatomate again to get the final result, which comes back as a shareable URL. That link points directly to your finished short, already rendered, encoded, and ready to post. If you open it in your browser, you can watch your AI-edited Roblox clip right away with synced reactions, clear audio, and smooth cuts. Finally, step 6. Update the Google Sheet with the final video. This last step closes the loop. It writes back to that same Google Sheet it started from. It updates that row's status to completed and pastes in the final video URL from Creatomate. That means your spreadsheet becomes a live production dashboard. It shows you which clips are done, which are in progress, and which are next in line. You can share this with teammates or even connect it to another automation that publishes the finished videos straight to YouTube Shorts. It's a simple but really powerful tracking system that keeps your entire content pipeline transparent and scalable. So, to recap, automation is the missing gear in the short-form creator machine. With N8N clipping automation, you're not just editing faster, you're creating a system that delivers consistency, quality, and scale. That means more uploads, more reach, and ultimately, more growth for your channel. And remember, this isn't about replacing creativity, it's about removing friction so your creative energy can shine. You focus on the viral ideas, the setups, the reactions, and let the workflow handle everything else. If this video was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more deep dive automation tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll build one of these systems live. Cheers!